With modern technology advancing before our eyes, there are more ways than ever before to make money. Whether you're a career professional looking to boost your income or an entrepreneur looking to grow your business, the idea of having more disposable income is appealing. The good news is there are several ways to increase your earning potential. Whether you're selling your used clothes, starting a business from a place of passion, investing in real estate, or looking for a convenient way to make money on the side, there are tools to help. And if you don't have an idea yet, this list will show you ideas for making bank no matter your skill level. These strategies will require effort to pay off, but they are also some of the most rewarding ways to start making extra money online. Don't miss out on this valuable information. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive right in. Increase your earning potential. One of the most straightforward ways to make more money is by increasing your earning potential. This can be done by asking for a raise or negotiating a higher salary. We know that asking for a raise can be nerve-wracking, so you must be prepared. Knowing your worth helps you set a realistic baseline for the negotiation process. Before you schedule a meeting with your boss, make sure you have a list of your accomplishments, contributions, and goals for the company. This will demonstrate your value to the company and make your boss more likely to agree to a raise. It's also essential to research the average salary for someone in your position so you can make a case for why you deserve more. However, don't focus solely on the base pay. Consider other aspects of compensation, such as bonuses, benefits, vacation days, stock options, and opportunities for career advancement. A comprehensive package can sometimes outweigh a slightly higher base salary. Remember that negotiation is not just about money. It's about recognizing your worth and advocating for fair compensation that aligns with your contributions and market value. Be professional throughout the negotiation process. Avoid getting emotional or resorting to ultimatums, as it could harm the relationship and jeopardize the negotiation success. By mastering the art of negotiation, you can secure better opportunities and maximize your earning potential in both employment and freelance settings. Freelancing. Talking about freelance, another great way to make more money is by freelancing. In the evolving work landscape, freelancing has emerged as a powerful strategy for making money in 2023. With the increasing demand for remote talent, freelancers now have unprecedented opportunities to leverage their skills and expertise for financial success. Freelancing is working for yourself rather than being tied to a single employer. This can include everything from writing and graphic design to programming and consulting. When it comes to freelancing, the key is to be creative and think outside of the box. Many freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to easily sign up and start getting clients. Other social media like Twitter and LinkedIn have recently served as platforms where freelancers get clients. As a freelancer, you're not limited to a single source of income. With each project you take on, you have the potential to earn from different clients and industries. Diversifying your income streams provides stability and reduces the risk of relying mainly on a single employer. Want to learn more about how to start freelancing this year? Let us know in the comments and we might make a more detailed video on freelancing in 2023. Freelancing offers a dynamic and rewarding path to financial success. It provides the freedom to shape your career, pursue your passions, and create a life that aligns with your goals. The opportunities in this field are vast, and with determination, dedication, and continuous improvement, you can leverage freelancing to unlock your full earning potential. Starting a side hustle. Having a side hustle in addition to a full-time job is pretty normal these days. They have become a transformative force in helping individuals achieve their financial goals. A side hustle is a part-time venture you pursue alongside your regular job or primary source of income. Whether you want to pay off debt, save for a dream vacation, or simply increase your disposable income, starting a side hustle can be the key to unlocking financial success. From selling your used clothes on a local marketplace site, creating merchandise to sell to your TikTok fans, selling digital products, or starting a business from a place of passion, there are options for everyone. A side hustle lets you turn your hobbies and interests into a money-making venture. Whether you're passionate about photography, crafting, writing, or cooking, you can transform your skills into a profitable business. What starts as a small side project can become more significant over time. With dedication and strategic planning, your side hustle can evolve into a full-fledged business or provide you with valuable skills and experience that can advance your career. Consider starting a side hustle and see your finances beginning to soar. Cut costs. For many people, the real problem with your finances may not be how much you make, but how much you spend. You may need to reduce expenses. This is another strategy. By reducing costs and increasing savings, you can have more disposable income for things like paying off debt, saving for retirement, or investing in new opportunities. One way to cut costs is by creating a budget and sticking to it. If you've ever had a toddler in the house, you know how they can disappear if you aren't keeping a close eye on them. Money is like that too. The solution is simple, but requires discipline. Keep a written record of your spending. If you don't know where your money is going, it's nearly impossible to know where you can cut your costs. Doing this will make you consider whether you should make that expense. Use a notebook, spreadsheet, or an app. Do this for at least 1 month. 2 months is better, and you will have the information you need for the next step in the process. This can help you identify areas where you may be overspending and make adjustments accordingly. Another way to cut costs is by shopping around for better deals on things like insurance, utilities, and other household expenses. One last approach is the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% for things you need, like basic housing, utilities, food, clothing, taxes, debt payments, 30% for things you want. This may include eating out, entertainment, luxuries, and 20% for savings. Increasing savings and investments. When it comes to increasing savings, setting up automatic transfers from a checking account to a savings account can be a helpful strategy. This way you won't have to think about it, and the money will be saved automatically. Another way to increase savings is by setting financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them. It's also important to remember that cutting costs and increasing savings is not just about the money you save, but also about the money you don't spend. By not spending money on things you don't need, you can free up funds for things that are more important to you. For investing, you don't need to have a lump sum to start. Actually, investing small amounts of money regularly can be better than investing a large lump sum in one go. Investing small amounts of money every month might seem insignificant, but over 20 or 30 years, you could have built a very significant pot. Cryptocurrencies, stocks, and real estate are some of the popular investment channels that have proven to be rewarding. Cryptocurrency has evolved from a niche interest to a global phenomenon, making it a vital player in the financial landscape. In 2023, digital currencies are expected to reach new heights, presenting a prime opportunity for savvy investors. Delve into the world of cryptocurrencies and understand the fundamentals of trading. Now, there are ways to invest in real estate without owning physical property, including REITs and real estate platforms. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without the physical real estate. There are companies that own commercial real estate such as office buildings, retail spaces, apartments, and hotels. REITs tend to pay high dividends, which make them a common investment. It's important to remember that making more money is not just about having more disposable income. It's also about personal growth and fulfillment. Now it's the time to take action. Evaluate your goals, strengths, and resources to determine the best strategies for you. Success might not happen overnight, but consistency and perseverance will guarantee it. If you found the strategies insightful and empowering, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Which of these strategies are you adopting? Have you adopted any of the strategies already? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Now, go forth, conquer 2023, and make this the year you achieve unparalleled financial success. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.